I'm going to make the crab with noodle. I have about 8 ounces of crab meat. The can looks like this. You can get it in any grocery store. This is about 8 ounces. And this is already cooked. And I have an 8-ounce noodle, the rice noodle. I bought this kind of rice noodle from the Chinese Asian grocery store. All you do is you soak it in the water for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes they will get soft like this. And I have 4 ounces of bean sprouts, half ounce of green onion, half ounce of red pepper. For the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of the white pepper. So I'm going to put all the sauce in it first. Soy sauce and the sugar and the sesame oil and the white pepper. So you all mix together. Okay, that looks good. Let me see, the wok is hot right now. So the first bowl, I'm going to cook the egg first. This is about 2 eggs. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more oil in it. And I'm going to stir fry the green onion. Stir fry a little bit. And the bean sprout. And the pepper. I'm going to stir fry the crab meat in it a little bit. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to remove it. Okay, then I still need a little bit more oil for the noodle. Okay, it looks good. Then I'm going to put add all the stuff in it and the egg. Then I put all the sauce in it. Okay, this is all done. So I'm going to turn off the heat. with some green onion on top of it. Okay, that's what I make today, the crab with noodle.